Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by inspecting the chair to find the failure point, loose leg, stripped screw, or cracked dowel. Once you identify the part, gather necessary tools. Phillips and Allen keys, an 8mm wrench, replacement screws, and wood glue for joints. Make sure to sort fasteners into labeled piles so you don't mix sizes. This saves time when reassembling. Also verify any replacement part numbers against the model, so the new component fits correctly and prevents repeat disassembly. You now disassemble only the sections needed, starting with the seat then the back. Keep screws in labeled bags to preserve order. If screws are stripped, use a slightly larger screw or install a threaded insert to restore grip. This prevents wobble and preserves the original hole. For cracked wooden parts, inject wood glue into the joint, clamp firmly, and allow proper cure time. This restores strength. Once done, check alignment before reassembly, so holes match and components sit flush. You reassemble in reverse order, starting with main frame, then seat and back. Tighten fasteners progressively and avoid over-tightening because that can strip the wood. Once assembled, test the chair gradually, sit normally, then lean and rotate to confirm stability. If wobble or creak remains, inspect hidden mounting points and metal brackets for bent or missing parts and replace them as needed. Final tip: if a repair fails, swapping the problematic bracket or using a metal reinforcement plate often solves persistent instability.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.